Hi, and welcome to Enhancement 9 submission video. This week we added thumbnail images to our details. As you can see here at the bottom, it has the other thumbnail images that were also tied to this picture. If we go to the local HTML, we can see that it is valid HTML and also valid CSS. If you go here, you can see that I have uploaded this merge medium and it is tied to 17, which is actually the small bomb in the inventory table. So you can see this is the original image, and then there's these images here that I uploaded also. Lastly, if we inspect the web page and we look at these images, you can see that it is not bigger than 200 images for the thumbnail. You can check that on all of them. Its max value is 200. And then if we go into the main image, you can also see that it is no more than 500.